right, hey, transformations. You know, they're somewhat the same. Let's look at this problem here. This is y equals 3 to the x. Here's our graph. Notice, this is the point 0, 1. It crossed right there because if this is 0, the answer is always 1. So, let's see how it's changed. Ooh, what did I do to this graph? It looks like it moved to the left 1. This is actually at negative 1. Notice I have this little dot here indicating that's there. It's at negative 1. The y value is the same, 0, 1. The x value changed to negative 1. How can I show that? If I had that graph, how do I show, was this a vertical translation or a horizontal? And remember, if it's a horizontal one, they're inside liars. Horizontal ones are liars, remember? So, it's y equals 3 to the x, and instead of parentheses, the exponent is like the parentheses. And notice this says negative 1, but it was a plus 1. If it had moved here, the plus 1, that would have been a minus 1. It's the inside liar part. Alright? So, let's look at another one. Woo! This one moved left. This one moved down. It moved down from here to there. It's at the point 0, negative 1. This is 0, 1. Well, what's the difference between 1 and negative 1? It went down 2. Now notice, this one is not in the exponent. That shows it's a vertical shift downward. It's not a liar. Remember, the horizontal ones are liars, the vertical ones are not. So, well, ooh, what do you think happened here? Well, looky here. It went from there to there. It's the same graph, except it looks like it's flipped across the x. Well, here's how this one is. All this one is this. This is just a vertical reflection across this. It's negative 3 to the x power. In other words, instead of all your answers being positive, they're now just going to be negative. But you're going, no, wait a minute. But is it negative 3 times negative 3 a positive 9? So shouldn't it be up here? No. Because this is not saying take negative 3 and square it. This says take 3, like square it, and then make it negative. Everybody understand? This is the difference, so make sure to be careful. Now, if you put that in parentheses, it's something different. But that means do 3 to the x and then just make it negative. That's the common mistake people are going to make. It is not negative 3 times negative 3. It is 3 to whatever power, make the answer negative. That's why instead of having all positives, you now have all negatives. So let's look at this one. Ooh! I think we kind of talked about this one earlier. Notice this one reflected across the y, so it's just going to be the negative x. It's just like that other problem we have with the 2 and the 4, the negative x. If it reflects across the y, the x is the negative. If it reflects across the x, then the value right here, your leading coefficient, or whatever you number, your base is in a sense will have a negative in front of it. All right?